Hi folks, my name is Daniel, and in this brief video I want to introduce you to a new friend of ours at Logz.io called Alice. Before we go into the official intros, let's back it up a bit and talk about chat ops. I'm not going to go into the whole historical background, but suffice to say that today chat ops has become an extremely popular method to connect an organization's operational tasks to a conversational chat channel. And this is precisely where Alice comes into the picture. Alice is a Slack bot that allows Logz.io users to perform a variety of different actions via Slack, such as performing Elasticsearch queries, listing alerts, getting a snapshot of a Kibana visualization or dashboard, and plenty more. So let's meet Alice. Getting started is super easy. You'll find Alice listed in Slack's app directory. All you have to do here is hit the green install button. And then when asked, just click authorize. Alice will be installed and added to your workspace, and you'll then be prompted in Slack to set it up. Clicking yes, you'll then be presented with a configuration dialog where you'll need to provide two details: the AWS region in which your Logz.io account is deployed, either US or EU, and an API token. If you're not sure what AWS region your Logz.io account is deployed in, just check the login URL you're using for accessing Logz.io. App Logz.io means your account is deployed in the US, App EU Logz.io means you're in the EU. To retrieve an API token in Logz.io, click the cogwheel in the top right corner and go to Tools, API Tokens to create a new token. By the way, if you don't see this page, it means you don't have API access, so you'll need to shoot us a request to open it up for you. Once you enter these details, save the configuration, and the app's installed and added to your Slack workspace. You can now issue commands to Alice for interacting with your data and your Logz.io accounts. You can add Alice to a specific channel, just tag Alice, or issue commands from the app itself in Slack. Let's start playing around with Alice. A nice and easy way to begin is with the help command to see a list of all the available commands and their syntax. Next, we can use the search command for looking for specific log messages and querying Elasticsearch. To do this, you'll need to stick to Lucene syntax, of course, and enclose the query with the slanted apostrophe character. In this case, I'm asking Alice to show results for Apache error responses. We can also use Alice to get a snapshot of a dashboard. First, we're going to use the get command to see a list of all our Kibana dashboards. By the way, you can use this same get command to see a list of searches and visualizations as well. And we're then going to use the snapshot command to get a snapshot of a specific dashboard. And we're also telling Alice what time frame we want to take a look at. These are just two basic examples, but Alice can do plenty more, and I'll let you guys to explore further. So to sum things up, like Alice in Wonderland, this Alice allows you guys to dive deeper into the rabbit hole using your organization's chat. Here at Logz.io, we rely heavily on chat ops and Slack in our organizational procedures, and that's why we know Alice is going to come in handy for those of you who use both Logz.io and Slack in your day-to-day operations. Enjoy!